Kanchenjunga Mountain Ranges, as seen from a village near Darjeeling. Kanchenjunga is the third highest mountain in the world, after Everest in Nepal and K2 in Pakistan. It actually forms the border between India and Nepal. We were lucky enough to see it. It is very rarely visible due to clouds and fogs. Himalayan mountain ranges were formed when the Indian tectonic plate collided with the Eurasian plate some 50 million years ago. India used to be in Africa near Madagascar along with Australia. Indian plate drifted and came to China. That's why we see so many earthquakes in Nepal and the Himalayan mountain ranges. Because the Indian plate is still pushing against the Chinese plate and the mountain is going higher and higher. There was a time called Pangea when all the continents were together, called Gondwana Land supercontinent. Then they started drifting apart around 150 million years ago. And we know that it is true because of the fossils and other geological evidences. During Pangea, our ancestor Tiktaalik came out of the ocean 370 million years ago and evolved lungs. He is the ancestor of all we tetrapods, means four-legged animals. That's why all we tetrapods look similar when we are in our fetus stage. Even we humans. This is our family tree, you can pause and read. That time lived our ancestor called Megazostrodon, the common ancestor of all we mammals, including blue whales. Notice that is the time when kangaroos, wallabies, quokkas and other marsupials diverged from us. And boom, Himalayas were formed. Actually not boom. It is such a slow process that Himalayas are going up higher and higher 5 mm every year, even today. 30 million years ago, our ancestors looked a bit like him, part like rats, part like monkeys. Because after primates, rats are our next closest cousins. Oh, and even on the Himalayan peak, we find fish fossils because they used to be seabed 30 million years ago. And because the continents drifted apart, isolated islands had strange creatures, actually our cousins, evolved, like kangaroos, wallabies, quokkas in Australia, these weird looking baobab trees in Madagascar, and these alien looking dragon's blood tree in Socotra Islands. Life on Earth originated around 4.2 billion years ago in the ocean near hydrothermal vents. When carbon, oxygen, hydrogen, phosphorus and nitrogen combined to form DNA, the common ancestor of all the living creatures.